welcome to Verdictum. I am Ananya Singh and you're watching today's legal news, where we update you with the recent important legal developments across the nation. Let's take a look at the headlines. Rouse Avenue Court directs Enforcement Directorate to provide documents in AAP MP Sanjay Singh's money laundering case. Madhya Pradesh High Court pioneers live streaming and surveillance system for judicial transparency. Justice Abhijit Gangopadhyay urges establishment of CBI police stations in West Bengal amidst allegations of state non-cooperation. Punjab Minister Aman Arora and 8 others sentenced to 2-year imprisonment in 15-year-old assault case. Orissa High Court grants divorce to BJD MP Anubhav Mohanty. Now the headlines in detail. In a recent development in the ongoing proceedings surrounding the Delhi Excise policy money laundering case, the Rouse Avenue Court has issued directives to the Enforcement Directorate concerning Aam Aadmi Party MP Sanjay Singh. The court has instructed the ED to supply a copy of its supplementary prosecution complaint, previous charge sheets and other documents related to the accused by December 23rd. Special Judge M.K. Nagpal addressed an unresolved issue in connection with the protection of identities of prosecution witnesses and mandated that the ED provide the necessary documents with redacted information, specifically the names of the witnesses. Additionally, the ED was directed to file a comprehensive list of documents before the court. Sanjay Singh's judicial custody has been extended until January 10, 2024. Coinciding with the scheduled hearing of the main case. The charges in the case revolve around allegations of conspiracy to collect kickbacks from liquor dealers by implementation of the now scrapped Delhi excise policy between 2021-2022. ED alleges that Sanjay Singh was part of the conspiracy that led to financial losses to the state and violated the anti-corruption laws. The legal saga reached the apex court, with the top court issuing a notice to ED after Sanjay Singh challenged the decision of the Delhi High Court, rejecting his plea against his remand and arrest. The Supreme Court then granted Singh the liberty to file a regular bail. In a historic move, the Madhya Pradesh High Court, under the leadership of Chief Justice Ravi Malimath, inaugurated the Integrated Video Surveillance System and Courtroom Live Audio-Visual Streaming System. This initiative marks a significant step towards fostering transparency, accountability and safety within the judicial process. The groundbreaking project is first of its kind in India, setting a precedent for other high courts to follow suit. The system covers 210 complexes under the jurisdiction of the Madhya Pradesh High Court and allows for live streaming of proceedings in district and tehsil across the state. The press release of the High Court emphasized that beyond technological advancements, the two projects address crucial safety concerns within court premises. It highlights the need for a secure environment for all stakeholders in the justice system, including judges, lawyers, employees, law enforcement agencies, and the general public. Justice Abhijit Gangopadhyay of the Calcutta High Court has voiced concerns about the sluggish progress in a cooperative society forgery case currently under investigation by the Central Bureau of Investigation in West Bengal. During the hearing, Justice Gangopadhyay highlighted several issues and called for urgent measures to address the challenges faced in combating corruption within the state. Justice Gangopadhyay expressed dismay over the apparent non-compliance of the state government with his previous order, which mandates the provision of logistical and manpower support to the CBI in the ongoing investigation. In the previously issued directive, the judge instructed the state police to send 10 officers and additional staff on temporary deputation to the CBI to assist in the ongoing investigation. He further directed the state government to facilitate transportation and accommodation for the CBI officials, particularly in North Bengal, where the cooperative society being investigated is located. Citing the need for a more robust approach, Justice Gangopadhyay proposed the establishment of at least 4 CBI police stations in West Bengal. The judge further highlighted the urgency of the situation by pointing out the emergence of new corruption cases almost every day and alleged lack of cooperation from the state government in the investigation process. In a significant development, Punjab Minister Aman Arora, along with 8 others, has been sentenced to 2 years imprisonment by a court in Sangrur district. The case dates back 15 years and was filed by the minister's brother-in-law, Rajinder Deepa, alleging that Arora orchestrated an attack at his residence. The Sub-Divisional Judicial Magistrate, Gurbinder Singh Johal, presided over the court proceedings and convicted Arora and his associates in the 2008 case. Arora is presently holding the portfolio of new and renewable energy, printing and stationery, employment generation, and training and governance reforms in the Bhagwant Mann cabinet. He faces serious charges under various sections of the Indian Penal Code, including house trespass, envisaged under Section 452, and punishment for voluntarily causing hurt, provided under Section 323. The court imposed a 2-year sentence under Section 452 and an additional 1-year sentence under Section 323, with both the terms running concurrently. The court, in its ruling, highlighted that the evidence produced by the prosecution established the guilt of all accused without a shadow of reasonable doubt. In furtherance of the conviction, all accused have submitted an application before the court, expressing their intention to file an appeal before the High Court, with a 30-day time frame provided for the appeal process. The Orissa High Court has officially granted a divorce to Anubhav Mohanty, a member of the parliament affiliated with the Biju Janata Dal, from his actress wife, Varsha Priyadarshini. The decision follows a verdict of the division bench, comprising Justice Arindam Saha and Justice C.B. Shankar Mishra, that overruled a prior ruling by a local family court that rejected a divorce plea filed by Mohanty in September this year. The divorce was granted under Section 13(1)(1)(b) of the Hindu Marriage Act of 1955 on the ground of cruelty. The High Court held that the wife had developed an aversion to intimacy following their marriage in 2014, and thus holding that Mohanty had been subjected to cruelty. Mohanty initially filed for divorce in New Delhi in 2019, but the Supreme Court in 2020, on a plea by Priyadarshini, transferred the proceedings to a family court in Cuttack in Orissa. That was all on today's legal news. Thank you and keep watching Verdictum, and subscribe to our channel and download the Verdictum app on iOS and Android to keep yourself updated with authentic legal news.